Add new user. To start, enter £0 on the keyboard. The screen will show Input Admin PWD Fingerprint. Then, enter the administrator password you previously configured, or enter your fingerprint to access the main menu. On the main menu, select Users using the pound key. Then select Add User. Username and the default username, user01, will appear on screen. To personalize the username, delete the existing text with the star key and use the keyboard to configure. When finished, press the pound key. "01 Save Successful" will appear on screen, indicating that the username was configured correctly. Now, we'll proceed to configuring user access. Select the Password option with the pound key to configure a numeric password for the user. After entering and re-entering new password, 003 Config Succeeded will appear on screen, indicating that the password was configured. To configure the fingerprint, we go back to the menu using the star key and select Fingerprint with the pound key. Then select Add Fingerprint. Input Finger will appear on screen. Proceed to place your finger on the device. It requires entering 3 times to confirm. "004 Config Succeeded" will appear on screen, indicating that your fingerprint has been configured. To configure a card, go back to the main menu with the star key and select Card with the pound key. Then select Add Card. Card Sensing our read card will appear on screen. Next, place your card in front of the keyboard. 002 Config Succeeded will appear on screen, indicating that your card has been configured. ASA ABLOY, Opening Solutions. Experience a safer and more open world.